We're on the home stretch of the Mechanical Keyboards Switch Advent Calendar, door number 19. Waiting for my keyboard to arrive makes me super impatient, even a little antsy. Get it? ANSI? It's a keyboard layout with the enter key. Alright, we have a Durock Piano Palm switch with a 63.5 gram spring, and this is linear and PCB mounted. Alright, here's the Durock Piano Palm, black and a semi-translucent stem. That was a pretty good sounding and feeling switch, the Durock Piano Palm. Until next time, stay warm, and I'll see you all in the next video.